parking right in the middle of the street. It's just, you know, rich people, they don't care. Why are you driving all the way over here? Stay on that side, maniac. I'm sure this person's making a right turn and not signaling. Nice turn signal. Of course it's a Nissan. Gotta get off that phone. Stop texting and driving. The damn phone, always on that phone. Is that? Yeah.
Have a nice
You too, thank you. Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. When I was little, the only $100,000 cars were like Lamborghinis and, you know, Ferraris. Now a truck, a GMC truck is $100,000. Makes no sense. Figure for Christina. Thank you. Excuse me, sorry. There's no one in here. So you can just pick up your order right away. It's easy now. Summer is a different story. Oh, thank you. Don't panic. It's okay. I'll just go between here. People just, they demonstrate their inability to drive every single day. On the phone. Get a car or two behind you. Watch this. As soon as I go around him, he's going to start off. Just sits there. There's traffic behind you, dude. Pay attention. Are they in the middle of a conversation? Of course. Have a good day. I will, thank you. No one knows how to use their blinker, do they? Look out! People. She's looking at her mirror, she almost sideswipes me. This is why I got a camera on me. Have to have a camera. You're riding a bike, you're doing anything, you have to have a camera on you. You have to have a body camera. Yeah, race over there. Big hurry. Stay on that side, that side. Thank you. Yeah, in case anybody's wondering, today in New York, I'm out here on a bike. 40 degrees, overcast. A little breezy outside, but not bad. 38 degrees. Another big truck. Gonna race to that stop sign. The rich. I caught it. This crap is dangerous. Gotta be careful. Yeah, I caught it. I'm safe. I'm good. Nissan. It's in a big hurry to get on the highway to wait in traffic with everybody else. Big hurry, going nowhere. Big hurry to race to prove that they have a bigger you-know-what than everybody else. Make up for that inferiority complex. Now she's parallel parking now. She's backing up, and the car behind her has to back up too. My advice, just dress warm, you'll be okay. I got 6 layers of clothes on, like under this jacket that I'm wearing. Or including the jacket, I've got 6 layers. And I got, like, long johns under my pants. Thick socks and warm gloves. So, just dress warm. Yeah. Good. That's great. This is great. Okay. Good. There you go. Have a good one. This isn't so bad. It's not windy. It just, like I said before, you gotta dress in layers. Besides, you also have to remember you're out making money while everybody else is sitting at home afraid of the cold. So, get out there and get after it. You got it. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you. Oh, Audrey? Okay, good. What's going down? Oh. 3. I'm down. Now back to 1. It's stopping. Great. What is with this elevator, dude? I don't like this. I hate elevators. It's gonna stop on every floor. 3. How you doing? Hey, you're welcome. 1. Now it's going to 4. Nope, I'm not getting back on that elevator. Maybe it's just my bad luck. Jesus. It's a Lincoln SUV. Sandy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Johan? Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you.